So I've been testing Cloudbot because it's such a hype right now. On the paper, it looks great. It's a private local AI agent that lives in your chat. You can control your computer for free using only WhatsApp or Telegram or Discord. For the basics, I think it's pretty good. If I want to know the capital of France, I can ask it, or if you want to chit chat or ask simple questions, it works fine with Ollama. But the moment you want to try something different, for example, personally, I run some training scripts in Python for my machine learning models. And even though I'm not home, I would be able to run those without requiring any cron jobs or anything. When I try to do it, it's not working as intended. Even a simple Python version check is not working because it keeps using tools that don't even exist. Here's the issue. If you want to use it with Gemini, it works flawlessly. It sees the terminal tool, it is running the commands, it's changing your Python scripts, which is completely fine. But I was already doing that using Gemini CLI with YOLO mode. It can easily access your files, it can do fixes, it can create markdown files, it can organize the workspace for you, even installing some PyPy libraries, for example. But for me, the whole point is I want to do it in my local using Ollama models. I could host this for free. When I swap to a local model, it starts hallucinating. Instead of using actual terminal tools, terminal commands, it is doing completely different things. It's using made up tools that don't even exist. I didn't even define those tools in my config files. It's like asking a carpenter to hit a nail and they're using a machine gun for that. And the machine gun is not even defined in that place. It sees the command, it wants to help, but it just cannot do it. The main problem is in the function calling method. For example, large LLMs like Gemini or Claude, they are trained to use these tools. They are quite efficient. They know how to follow instructions, what to do, how to execute your prompts. A lot of local models, like Ollama models, they're great at chatting, but they haven't been fine-tuned for using these tools. They're not compatible with agentic operations. They are hallucinating, they get creative when they shouldn't, because instructions are very simple. Execute this command, no question marks. It turns out for me that this requires a lot of work just to fix the problem. So, we were very close to get a free autonomous agent, but we are not there yet. And also, it's a matter of time Gemini or ChatGPT is going to provide such a solution so that we'll be able to control our computer with a phone or email. And if you still want to stuck with the big models, you want to pay a lot of money for your tokens, then this tool is useful. But other than that, as a developer perspective, I couldn't find it very useful at this moment. One suggestion would be they might fine-tune Ollama models. These models should be optimized for using agentic tools, or what tools to use, what not to use, when to be creative, when not to be creative. On top of that, this could be a good heads up because it is coming with security concerns. We are providing a lot of API keys. Like if you want to do a web search, we need to define Brave API key. We are giving our Gemini API keys. If you're using 11 Labs, that's also another security issue. Maybe it's just a good reminder that it's not there yet, because if it's not solving these kind of simple problems, I don't think security-wise it's very reliable. Imagine that you're giving a prompt that clean up my folder. It might delete or overwrite some of your system files. This is just my humble opinion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.